Whoa. Absolute privilege being here today with this stunning 2014 Audi S7 for sale. This is the Quattro all-wheel drive model with custom 20-inch wheels, 265 tires all around, and looking really sleek with blacked out package and tinted windows. It has also been fully ceramic coated with 5-year protection, and it shows. Powered by the legendary Audi 4-liter twin-turbo V8 engine with dual overhead camshaft, this car makes over 600 horsepower thanks to the Stage 2 tune for both engine and gearbox. With a custom turboback exhaust system that backfires at every downshift. Very powerful yet comfortable to drive. Let's have a look at interiors now with the full black leather package, S7 logo and cross-stitch pattern on all seats, and also the premium interiors carbon package. Top of the line luxury with the keyless entry and the great interiors designed by Audi, with this $4,000 optional steering wheel and premium dashboard with both analog and digital cluster. And then this amazing S7 logo encased in the carbon insert and the carbon shift pedals here. And then cruise control and auto-activated xenon lights. Very aggressive steering wheel design, yet functional with all the buttons for media and sounds controls. While in the center console here we find the main infotainment unit with AM, FM radio, 4 zones air conditioning climate control, shift knob for the 7-speed automatic manual Tiptronic gearbox, electric e-brake, heated seats and traction control buttons, and the main engine start and stop button. And then the main armrest here with the good storing capacity, very deep, and the split compartments too, with the concealed dual cup holder as well. And here is the main LCD screen retracting every time the car gets turned on and off. Then the factory Bose 14 speakers sound system, power windows, power mirrors, heated mirrors, memory seats program, 8-way adjustable front and rear seats with lumbar support for driver, very reasonable legroom for rear passengers with leather sport seats matching the front S7 interiors package. And then the dual climate control with heated seat feature as well. As for the front, the rear also has its dedicated armrest with compartment here, pretty generous space, and dual cup holder as well. The rear seats are also very, very comfortable. Let's have a look at the boot now. Here's the button for the electric rear hatch, which takes just a few seconds to open. Boot space is plenty. As you can see, it can fit few suitcases and luggages. and then the spare wheel compartment here with the factory net to secure small items. And again, I was quite surprised to see how spacious the rear boot is. Wow. Very cool windbreaker here to avoid turbulences and neck pain. Very well thought. And then the button here for the fully automated hatch closure. It closes just in a matter of few seconds again. Here's another view. Very nice sunroof here with overhead controls and courtesy lights. But going back to the main infotainment unit, we have the factory Audi Drive Select with different operating modes, and then the raise feature that lifts the car at your command, and then USB ports, auxiliary, memory card slot, Apple Play, keypad for security. Very cool. Infotainment controls for media, radio, navigation and so forth are quite cool as well. I like the graphics and the presentation. And here's another view of the electronic e-brake on and off. A truly bespoke all-rounder luxury car that turns heads, sounds amazing, and it's comfortable yet fast at the blip of the throttle. From grocery shopping to the occasional track day, this S7 has it all. Now that we have the car on a hoist, let's have a look underneath. Here you can see the full custom exhaust, starting from the turbo back all the way down to the rear. Pretty cool indeed. This is just to show how clean this car is, also underneath. Here you can see the air suspensions and the rear differential. This car is equipped with 4-wheel independent suspensions, dual sway bars, wheel travel and active suspension telemetry, 4 wheels ABS and traction control, tire pressure monitoring, the stage 2 gearbox tune as well. And here we see the front wheels with the CV boots and everything in place. An amazing luxury car, now fully serviced and offered at a very competitive price for the new buyer to pick it up. This car is currently located in Auckland, New Zealand, and here is all the contact information for you. Be in touch today to secure a fantastic opportunity for yourself to own a great Audi.